I want to talk about these closet door ball catchers. I needed to replace one in a kitchen door, so ordered these up. What do you get? You get the all the hardware, the catcher. You see right there, it's adjustable. You'll see in a little bit why that's so important. You get the base plate, and you get corresponding Phillips head screws to make everything fit. You can see the problem I was having with my old door. It's not catching. If you take a look up top, that's the old one, and the ball simply fell out of it. So it was time to update. And it was pretty easy. All I did was take out the old piece, put in the new piece. I did not replace the catch plate because the old one was already in place. But you can see right now it closes and stays closed. My favorite feature of this is it's adjustable. Depending on where you live, if you have heat, humidity, or dryness in the winter, your house can swell a little bit and doors will open harder or easier. So having that adjustable feature is very important. Please click on the link in the description below.